been very gloomy and rainy. It's not been dark, but you know, you're not getting the sun at all. We weren't getting the sun until today. I'm heading to church right now and it's very sunny. And when I woke up this morning and I saw the sun peeking through the window, you know, the sun rays, I was so elated and I was so happy. And I'm like, man, is this just a taste of what it's going to be? Clearly not what it's going to be, but just an example, a shadow of what it's going to be when persecution is loud and persecution is going on. God's people are being persecuted, and then Christ comes. The Son of Righteousness will rise with healing in his wings, and we're going to just be so elated because the darkest time of earth's history will be over. Just something for us to ponder when nature gives us spiritual lessons, you know. That was what dawned on me this morning. Have a very beautiful day today. All right.